Wherever you drive, no matter how old or new, powerful or not, it doesn't really matter how fast you can go. What truly matters is how well you can stop. Goodridge's range of high-performance stainless steel braided brake lines give you the confidence, the safety and control for your performance, sports or classic car. Unlike the rubber hoses fitted to most cars, Goodridge lines are built up to a motorsport quality rather than down to a price. And what that means is effort that goes in the pedal end comes out at the brake end, and you get sure-footed stopping every time, whether it's road or track. The problem with rubber lines is even when they're new, they can actually balloon under pressure. Through in a few years and miles of degradation, you're not enjoying the full safety and efficiency that a new Goodridge line can bring. And that can affect your confidence or your lap time. Thanks to their stainless steel fittings and reinforcement, Goodridge lines look better, last longer and work perfectly for as long as you own the vehicle. All Goodridge braided stainless steel brake lines follow the identical route of your original parts, needing no modification, even coming with factory style bracketry. Easily fitted at home, with Goodridge, your car can enjoy the same braking confidence as major OEMs like Jaguar, Lotus and Aston Martin. Available in 12 colours, all with optional stainless steel hardware, you can also specify Classic for a more traditional appearance. So out of the workshop and onto the road, it's time to see the difference that the Goodridge lines have made. And you know what, you can feel it. When you press the pedal now, there's that little bit more precision, a bit more feedback and a bit more feel. Now on the road, that's given me great confidence. On the track, that could be worth a couple of tens. They really are a cost-effective modification for your car.